click on close button. So it will close your presentation only, means current presentation will close. It will not close your PowerPoint presentation application. Okay. To exit presentation, just please click on file menu and click on exit button. So working with slide in PowerPoint, text and list appearances. So here we are discussing different types of formatting that you are using in your PowerPoint presentation. It refers process of changing the styles or appearance of the style. So formatting toolbar I am discussing here. So in this formatting toolbar, fonts, font size, bold, italic, underline, all these things are. This is the ribbon. Okay, on this ribbon, total formatting toolbar is present. Okay, so you can insert more objects or more tools onto this ribbon by changing the setting. Okay, so font and formatting. After font and formatting, how to do? So to change the font, select title on the slide. How to select title? How to change the font? Just go through the font menu, drop down menu, click on this. You can use any font. You can select any font that you want to apply on your screen, apply on your text. Okay, so the font has been changed here. Title, if you want to change the font size, you can also change. So these are the very basic things, but remember all these things, how you are stepping, how each and every steps that you are going to use here. So आपको लिखना भी आना चाहिए, ये सब लिखना आना चाहिए। तो लिखने से लिखने के लिए आपको ये स्टेप्स की जरूरत है। आप प्रैक्टिकली जो करते हैं इसमें से बहुत सारे स्किप हो जाते हैं आप जब लिखते हैं। तो आपका पेपर जो है, योर पेपर इज टोटली theoretical based, not a practical based. So you have to remember all the steps. Okay, so don't skip any steps, otherwise.
Ma'am, is it necessary to draw the pictures like that, like on our
You
screen
can,
right now?
yes, you can do, if you remember all these things at the time, then you can draw the pictures also, but not necessary. uh, Most of the time you have to write all the answer in text format.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, मेरे ख्याल से तो ये प्रैक्टिकली होना चाहिए था, तो इसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होना चाहिए प्रैक्टिकली कोर्स वर्क में। तो so these are the menu bar that I, so here all of you know superscript and subscript, underline सबको पता है। Okay, but here you have to know shadow, emboss, subscript and superscript also. Okay, so use this for your formatting purpose. Okay, subscript is for if you want to write uh, below line some text at below line, so at that time you can use subscript. Okay, like base 10. Okay, 10 to 10 base 10. Okay, log 10, you have to write 10 as in the base of this log. Okay, so at that time we can use subscript. And superscript, if you want to write is equals to mc square, at that time just select 2. Okay, and click on superscript, so it will display your it will display 2 above line. It means that it will looks like E is equals to mc square. Okay, square will be highlighted here. Okay, so I think you know very well about all these things. Just I am highlighting some and go through these steps. Okay, whenever I am showing all these things in stepwise, so you have to write such a type of text. Okay, you have to convert this thing whatever I am showing you here into the textual format. Okay, so just click on font, then font dialog box will appear. So then click on the font whatever you want. Okay, select the font, proper font, then font style, bold, italic, regular or bold, italic both. Okay, so after selecting this, just click on size, and after that whatever the effects you want to apply, you have to check. These are the check buttons. Okay, just check it and press on OK button. Okay, here color is also appearing here. Color drop down menu is there. If you click on this, color palette will come out, and color, you can give the color to that particular text also. Alignment, to align the text refers to the way text is placed in placeholder. To align text, select text, then click on format button. Alignment, in this alignment menu there are 4 alignments are there. Align left, center, align right, and justify. Just you tell me what is justify and why it is used. Okay, and what is the effect of this justify after the session. Okay, just काय म्हणतात, उत्तर आठवून ठेवा आणि मग मला सांगा what is the use of justify. Okay, this is the presentation after applying the, this is right justify, this is right align, this one is center align. Okay, uh, so alignment, right align here, center align, so it will show here center align. Okay, bullet style. Now select the text onto the slide and click on this format menu and click on bullets and numbering. Okay, and from here you can select different types of bullets in the sense all these things are in symbolic format, no order is required here. Okay, when you choose numbered, at that time you have to choose either alphabetically or numeric format or Roman. There are different types of number format. These are the bullets which are in symbolical format, and you can change the color of these bullets also and size of this bullet 100%, or you can customize it. Okay, or you can insert your own picture also instead of this bullet. Okay, and please press on OK. So bullet will apply on your text. Here to insert numbering, same, bullets and numbering dialog box will appear on your screen. Okay, and click on numbered. Okay, after clicking on number, list number of appear, list of here just now I told you this is numbering format, different types of formats of numbering. Alphabets are there, small and capital, and I and Roman I. So these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 types of bullets and numberings are present here. Same, you can apply color, size, and you can, if you want to start at 10, so directly you can write here 10. Okay, if you want to start at 1, so you just write here 1. Okay, and press OK, so it will apply on your screen. Okay, manipulating slides. Now changing layout. To change the slide layouts, navigate it to the slide for which you want to change the layout. Just click on format menu, click on slide layout, then the slide layout taskbar will appear on your screen, and from that you choose any layout that you want to apply. Okay, desired layout. Okay, the layout of the slide is changed here. You can change the layout, slide appearing with clip. So you can duplicate the slide also. Okay, suppose you want to same thing you want to apply on different slides also. So you can suppose आपने एक स्लाइड बनाया है और उसका सेम आपको बनाना है, सेम फॉर्मेटिंग का स्लाइड अलग बनाना है. So at that time you can duplicate, click on this duplicate button, and it will appear, same slide will appear, the replica of that particular slide will be appear on your screen. Okay, the summary slide like this I showed you. So do the practice of this. Moving a slide view, you have to click on slide sorter, drag the slide to the desired location, Okay, suppose you want to change the order of this. So if you want to change the, please, if you want to change the order of this slide, at that time you can just click and drag it wherever you want to place. Okay, and deleting slide, just select the slide and click on delete. So go through this all shortcut keys that are shown in your menu bar. So what is the shortcut key for cut, copy, paste, duplicate the slide, clear all slide, and clear or delete the content, and find and replace button. Okay, so go through these shortcut keys, because shortcut keys are many times shortcut keys are asked in your examination. So hiding a slide, to hide a slide, just if you want to hide any slide at that time, just click on in the slide sorter view, select the slide to be hidden. Okay, slideshow, click on slideshow and click on hide slide. And if you want to unhide it, okay, after hiding, it will show you unhide in this menu, unhide. When you click on that particular slide, at that time it will show unhide slide, um, unhide slide menu into option. And when you click on this, at that time that slide will unhide. Okay, note that the number below the slide has been crossed out. This indicates that the slide is hidden and will not appear on your slides. See, this one is here. Somewhat cross is appearing here, and it means that that slide is hidden. Okay. Uh, Next, hiding a slide. To unhide slide, what step you have to carry out? In the slide sorter view, navigate to the slide you want to that you want to unhide, and on the slide show menu, click hide slide once again. Okay, click on hide slide once again, so it will unhide it. Inserting picture into the slide. To insert picture, navigate to the slide in which the picture is to be inserted. First of all, click on insert, then click on picture, then click on file, from file, then you have to select the file. Okay, click on insert button, and that particular clip art will be appear on your screen. Okay, working with slide in with PowerPoint with objects. So these are the object menu. Okay, here draw, auto shapes, and word art, all clip art, all these things are present here. So drawing toolbar, this is called as drawing toolbar. Here different objects are present that you want to insert in your presentation. Here just click on the view menu, then click on toolbar and click on drawing. When you check this, at that time that particular menu bar or ribbon will come onto your screen. Okay, in PowerPoint presentation. So you have to go through this 1, 2, 3 steps. Then insert word art. For inserting word art, just click on this view toolbar, drawing. In this drawing toolbar will appear on your screen, and insert word art field you have to click here. Okay, so go through these steps while writing this answers. The word art gallery dialog box will appear and number of word arts showed here. So click on any one of that you desire and click OK button. Here you can customize your text, okay, by entering your own text and choose the font size, bold, italic, effects, and press on OK. So click the desired font size. You have to write all these things. So click the desired font size, and font style. Replace the text, your text here with desired caption. Okay, that you want to insert, and press on OK button. So these steps you have to jot down. Okay, so figure out all these things and write in your own words. Okay, but don't skip any steps. The heading is inserted as a word art using word art like this. To move to the heading, raise the mouse pointer over the word art object. Mouse pointer change to a headed arrows. Drag the objects to desired position on the slide. To resize the heading, raise the mouse pointer over one of the edge of the word art object. The mouse pointer change to a double-headed arrow. Then drag the mouse pointer to get the size you want. So these are the steps. You can draw this figure also. So examiner will get an impress also. But time limitations is there. So don't draw all these things because वेळ पुरणार नाही तुम्हाला. ओके. सो वेळ पुरला नाही तर मग तुम्ही अशा गोष्टी करत बसाल तर most of the time you have to jot down all these things in textual format. Okay, don't go through this. So this is, पण तुम्हाला जर एक्झाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ने लक्षात ठेवायचं असेल तर दिस विल वर्क. ओके, सो यू कॅन जस्ट वॉच दी, एक दोन वेळेस तुम्ही जरी हे पाहिलं, ओके, यू कॅन रिमेंबर ऑल दिस थिंग्स. कारण शेवटी माणसाची पिक्चोरिकल मेमरी चांगली असते. ओके, इमेज चांगले लक्षात ठेवतो माणूस. तर त्याच्यामुळे गो थ्रू दिस इन्सर्टिंग ऑटो शेप. So for inserting auto shape, a banner shaped auto shape is inserted by drag the pointer to resize the banner to the desired size. Okay. To add text within banner, right click the banner, add text, click on add text. After that, text box will appear on your banner. So enter the text. After entering, you can do the formatting, like you can change font size, style, color, bold, italic, underline, all these things. Okay, so newly inserted banner shape will be displayed on your screen or slide. Okay, following the same step, you can add star to the opening slide to make it more eye-catchy. Okay, how to do? So these are the stars. So I am telling here how to do grouping actually. Okay, first slide after inserting star. So just yeah, we are going to grouping and ungrouping the object. It is a collection of objects that behave as one and can be moved, resized as formatted together. Okay, so how to do? Just right click here and click on group object. Okay, so to select multiple objects as shown here, select the first object. Okay, hold the shift key. Okay, we are doing all these things with the help of shortcut key also. Okay, hold the shift key down and then click each of the remaining object to the 1 minute.
To be grouped them.
Okay, so after selecting all objects, release the shift key. Okay, just so here select the object. Okay, click on, so go through this menu. Whenever you are going through this menu bar, on this ribbon, just click on drawing ribbon and click on group. Select the object that you want to group, just click on this, and to remove the group, to move the group to the desired position onto the slide, drag it. Okay, just drag it, and so it will be moved here. Okay, so to ungroup, select ungroup object, select group, select the from the grouped objects. Okay, and copy objects across slide. So navigate to the first slide of the presentation and select the objects now. How to do? Click on edit, copy, click on copy button, go to the other slide and paste. Click on paste button. So now animating text and object on the slide. To animate the text, you have to go for the go to the slideshow, then click on animation scheme, The slide design task pane appears on your screen. Next is under applying to select slide, click the desired animation that you want to apply. Okay, here appear, dim, appear, all these things are the different animation effects are given. So I think हा क्वेश्चन आला होता तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये, animation effects, how to apply animation effects step wise. Okay, so go through this slide. To apply the selected animation to all slide, click on apply to all. To apply custom animation, click the slide that has objects you want to animate. Okay, click the object you want to animate. For example, title text. Suppose for example, here click on slideshow custom animation. Click on custom animation. After this custom animation, taskbar will appear. Click on add effect. After this, you have to choose different types of effects are given here: entrance, emphasize, exit, or jump, motion path, all these things. So to move, to make the text or object uh, enter the slideshow with the effect entrance. Click on entrance. To set the animation effect to the text or object, you can click on emphasis. Okay, to add the effect that appears when text or objects exit from the slide. Okay, so this is exit effect. And motion path, so you can animate here your any object. Suppose you have inserted any suppose any animal on your slide. Okay, so and uh, you want to show moving animal, motion of that particular animal. Okay, from one place to another. Suppose त्याचं movement तुम्हाला दाखवायचं आहे from one place to another place. At that time, just you have to click motion path, and with the help of this, you can do the animation effect also on that particular object. Okay, so I will show this if there is time remain at the end of this session. Okay, select the desired animation effect and click on this. So click on, suppose, select entrance. In that entrance, I have selected here blind, and click on click. You can choose here on click, or uh, you can here apply some uh, time intervals. Okay, so for that purpose, you can, if you insert 1 second, 2 seconds, so that will appear after 1 second. That effect will appear after 1 second or 2 seconds. Or you can go through the on mouse click. So when you click on the mouse, at that time only that effect will showed on your slide. Okay, so you can customize the animation effect further by using start, direction, and speed command. Okay, here you can choose fast, middle, low, or very fast. These are the options given here. Directions, horizontal, diagonal, up, down, all these things. Okay. And after animation effects, you have to use specific timing of the animation effect in the relation of other events. Okay. So suppose previous you want to as per the previous slide, you can select here time. Okay, so after finishing for previous side, it will start the effect. It will start the effect, or on mouse click it will start, or as per the time delay that you are given in the start, as per that it will start the effect. Okay, on that particular text or object. Okay, so direction across here used to specify the direction from the animation that you want to play. Okay, here different types of mm, speed is given here. There are fast, very fast, slow, medium. Okay, so these are the different types of speed effects. And then please click on play button to remove the effect. Okay, if you want to remove now, just click on remove. Okay, select the particular to remove effect. Just click the remove button. Okay, remove button onto this main bar. First of all, click on text and then remove. Okay. Motion path. Just now, I told you that you can apply different types of animation effects. Okay, in this animation effect, if you want to move some object from one place to another place, at that time you can use this. Okay, motion path. It is very much important here. To apply or draw motion path, click the motion path from this effect. First of all, add effect, then click on motion path, then third one is click on suppose selected up. Now adding transition. Transition means what? It is a set of special effects used to determine how slide will change from one to next slide. Okay, means there are different types of effects that you apply here. Click on slideshow. For that purpose, click on slideshow first of all, and then click slide transition. So slide transition taskpan will appear on your screen, and from that you can choose blind, vertical, box in, box out. Different types of and transition effects are there. Transition effects is only for change, only applied while changing the slides. Okay. So again, you can apply speed, fast, medium, low. Okay, and sound effects. If you don't want any sound effects, then choose no sound. Otherwise, you can apply any sound. And on mouse click here again, two advanced effects are given here. Sorry, advanced uh, options are given. So on that on mouse click or automatically after 1 second, 2 second. You can specify here 1 minute. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, time delay. So you can apply that much time delay here and apply to click on apply to all slide. Okay. So on mouse click box to advanced slide, when you click the mouse or press the required key, at that time only that effect will start. Otherwise, it will not start. So select the automatically after box to advance automatically during the slideshow. Okay. So click apply to all slide. Printing and printing slides, notes and handouts. If you want to print the slides at that time, following are the command: slides, handouts, page notes and outline. Print one slide per page. Here print miniature of the slide. Here prints the notes page to use as speaker notes or as a reference for the audience, and prints the outline of the slide in presentation as it's appear in the outline view.
Ma'am, what do you mean by miniatures? Prints miniatures.
मिनिएचर्स मीन्स हैंडआउट्स जो रहते हैं आपको वो अगर प्रिंट्स लेने हैं उसके तो आप ये हैंडआउट्स ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. So here set the size of the slides by using page setup. So go through the file menu, then click on page setup. So after that you can choose on screen show. Click here slide sizes, okay, for the list, and then click on the portrait or landscape view. Okay, portrait means A4 size, and landscape means if you want to take it out as a horizontally, at that time you can choose landscape. Okay, and then the orientation determines whether the slide is printed lengthwise or widthwise. Okay, so you can go through this and then click notes or handouts or for print. Yeah, this is for slide and this is orientation for notes, handouts and outlines. So here is also two options are given, portrait and landscape. So you can go through this. Click on OK button. So here we can do the making slide shortcuts. So different types of shortcuts are given into this menu bar. So go through that. So move select outline paragraph down. So at that time you have to shift alt plus shift plus down arrow key. Display outline heading level 1. At that time you have to shift alt plus shift plus 1. Expand outline text below the heading alt plus shift plus plus. Plus means you have to add this and this and this as per that. Okay. So here plus plus is no, it is a button. Okay, that you have to press. Okay, sorry. Um, collapse outline text below the heading, below a heading. Collapse or show all text or headings. Alt plus shift plus A. So these are the some shortcut key. Go through this. Okay, so duplicate the current slide, increase font size, decrease font size, display font dialog box. कारण हे विचारतात शॉर्टकट्स 2-3दा विचारलेले आहेत. Go through this. Double click the object. Demote a paragraph in outline. Move selected outline paragraph up. Move selected outline paragraph down. हे shift key वापरा. Display outline heading level 1. I think हे सेम झालेलं आहे. ओके, हाईड अ पॉइंटर और अ पेन. मी सांगितलं होतं की तुम्हाला इथे जेव्हा तुम्ही स्लाइड शो करता तर त्यावेळेस इथे एक ऑप्शन आहे जिथे तुम्ही बॉल पेन वगैरे हे तुम्ही घेऊ शकता याच्यामध्ये. जर तुम्हाला इथे ऑन द स्पॉट काही सांगायचं असेल तर त्यावेळेस यू कॅन यूज if you want to highlight something, so at that time you can use this one. Okay, so these are the, and again you want to, जर तुम्हाला परत स्लाइड परत तुमचं टर्न ह्याच्यामध्ये करायचं असेल arrow मध्ये, you can click on arrow, and here eraser is also there. Okay, so we can erase all this. So go through this. कारण तुम्ही पॉवर पॉइंट प्रेझेंटेशन करताना तुम्हाला हे सगळं यूज करावं लागतं एखाद्या वेळेस. ओके, तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही हे यूज करू शकता. नेक्स्ट, stop or start a show, just press S. Okay, and return to first slide. If you want to return to first slide, at that time just click 1 plus enter key, so it will return you all on first slide. Okay, so add an animated GIF to a slide. If you want to add any animated GIF, at that time you have to select a slide that you want to add animated GIF. Just click on insert button, and on from this tab of this ribbon, and click on pictures. In this picture, insert picture dialog box, navigate to the location of animated GIF you want to add. Okay, select a file, then click insert or open. To play an animation, select slideshow tab on the ribbon, and then in slides, start slideshow group, select the current slide. Okay, so these are the steps given here, how to add GIF. Okay, so for all this, sorry, footer, I think how to add footer in the PowerPoint presentation. हा एक्झाम मध्ये आला होता क्वेश्चन, तर त्याच्यामुळे हे मी त्याचे स्टेप्स काढून ठेवलेले आहेत, तुम्ही हे घेऊ शकता. In this main PowerPoint toolbar, click on the insert tab first of all, then text category. In the text category of the ribbon, select header and footer, and in the dialog box, click box next to the header and footer, enter the text that you have to appear onto the footer, and after that, once you are finished, click apply to apply the footer only to the slide you are currently working on. You can also click apply all if you want to appear, if you want to apply it on all slides, okay, that you are going to take. Okay, so to edit the size of or shape of the footer box, click on the element and drag the and release the box. Okay, just you have to you can resize it with the help of drag and drop process. You can change the font colors, text itself, and same way you would uh, with any other text elements. Okay, so these are some steps to organize your presentation. In PowerPoint presentation, click on view button. Okay, then click on slide master. Then after in the slide master, click master layout. तुम्हाला माहित असेल हे मास्टर लेआउट म्हणजे काय की जे काही तुम्ही स्लाइड घेताय, so whenever you are taking any slide layout at that time, you can choose master layout. So first slide will be different from others. Okay, its layout is different from others, so that's why you can choose it as master slide master tab. Click on master layout to bring up a dialog box. So dialog box will appear master layout and placeholder block box जो रहता है. So you can make sure you have a slide numbers. Okay, check it, and it's the default setting, but it may be turn off for some templates. Okay, you can write your change it, or you can hide it also. Okay, your slide number placeholder will appear with hash symbol in it. Use your cursor to move it to the position, and you had like it in it shows up in the slide. I will show you all these things. Turn to slide master tab and click the red X label. Close master view. This will close the slide master to you. Can go so you can go back to the editing slide individually. Okay. Next, to go to insert tab, click slide number. I have written all these things theoretically. Okay, so practically you can do easily, but theoretically you have to jot down all these things, all these steps. Okay. So here I have finished all the slides about this presentation. If you have any queries, then feel free to ask me.
Ma'am, if the question asks for 10 mark, how will you save a file in MS Word?
Oh, yes, MS Word. Okay.
हा इन MS Word. असं जर क्वेश्चन आला 10 मार्काला तर आपण
Okay.
त्याच्यात काय इन्क्लूड करायचं ते थोडस व्यवस्थित सांग.
Let me start MS Word. Okay, so is it visible?
Not yet. It is just PowerPoint slide presentation or the.
Okay, just wait. Now is it?
No,